4 ways to make your Kickstarter campaign more successful. These days, coming up with an idea for an invention and then planning on selling it is always going to mean making a trip to Kickstarter. Kickstarter is the preeminent crowdfunding site, which means it's a platform on which you can announce an idea for a product and then see if there is a desire for that product. If so, then viewers can become backers and help fund the project, eventually receiving the resultant product at the end as a thank you. This means you no longer have to find an angel investor and give away shares of your business, and you no longer have to remortgage your house and pin all your hopes on a crazy idea. But going on Kickstarter is not a guarantee of success. In this presentation, we'll take a look at how you can help ensure a positive outcome for your product. 1. Make a great video. The most important aspect of your product page is to make a stunning video. This needs to demonstrate all the best qualities of your product, and it should have high production values, which will help make you appear more professional and capable. Invest in a good camera and editing software, and if you don't have the knack, hire someone who does. 2. Offer exciting incentives. It is normal to incentivize backers by offering rewards for different levels of funding. As you might expect, it's important to ensure that these incentives are exciting enough to actually be worth the money, so make sure that they are, whether that means offering discounted products, bonus packs, or the backer's name somewhere in the credits. 3. Time it well. As with comedy, timing is everything in the world of crowdfunding. Make sure you time the actual launch of the product well, but also think carefully about how long the campaign should run for and when it's going to end. 4. Prep and pickup. A strategy recommended by Tim Ferriss is called prep and pickup. The idea is that you're going to work on all the emails, ads, press releases, and other marketing materials before you launch your product. From there, you will have everything ready to go, and all you need to do is click send at the appropriate times when the product is live. This prevents the scenario where life gets in the way and you can't promote your product as much as you should.